My name is Funke Abimbola. I'm General Counsel and Company Secretary at Roche UK. I'm also privileged to be a Senior Ad Board member for Aspiring Solicitors. To me, AS are at the forefront of really broadening access into the legal profession. We've got such a broad definition of what diversity actually means, and we look at it across so many different strands, and I'm really proud that we're at the forefront of this tremendously important cause. Aspiring Solicitors is very important because the legal profession as a whole remains very, very exclusive in many ways due to the way that solicitors qualify and also looking at progression through the profession as well. So through Aspiring Solicitors, we offer a really, really good supportive platform that not only encourages people to enter the profession in the first place, but actually encourages them to progress throughout it. So it's crucially important. The main thing that Aspiring Solicitors does differently is we're so broad in our definition of diversity. Most other platforms look at diversity in very narrow terms actually, which remains a challenge for us because of course being very broad means that we have quite a large task on our hands, but at the same time it means we've been able to grow really, really quickly and gain a lot of support as well from other organisations. My motivations for joining Aspiring Solicitors were because as a black woman who also happens to be a mother, I experienced all sorts of discrimination. Not only at entry level, but also in progressing my career. And I felt so passionately about making sure that others wouldn't have to go through some of the same struggles. So that's why I'm so supportive of this initiative. What I would say about being from an underrepresented group is that it can actually really serve as your advantage because it makes you stand out. So initially I thought being a black woman with an unusual, obviously African sounding name would be a negative thing, but actually it's become part of my personal brand. So I would say just turn what you think might be a disadvantage around to be an advantage and make it your USP and part of your branding. The future for Aspiring Solicitors is incredibly bright. We continue to get lots of support from organisations, law firms and other employers. We are the largest platform now within this space in the legal profession, something I'm very, very proud to be a part of. And I just see us continuing to grow, continuing to impact, importantly, on really broadening access into and through the profession itself.